It's such a pain to close my eyes. I'm falling in this deep immerse. Would you ever show me
shaking the room from the back to the center, making you move to the track you surrender. Body scrunching your face closed up. As we enter, shaking the room from the back to the center, making you move to the track you surrender. Body scrunching your face closed up, the bass goes boom as we enter. Cause the bass goes shaking the room from the back to the center, making you move to the track you surrender. Shaking the room from the back to the center, but you're scrunching your face closed up cause the bass goes